G'day and welcome back to my gardening videos. Today we're going to go off and do some shopping to get my seedlings and my seeds from my garden. This is what we're looking at. It's pretty much a list of things that I've planned out from my plan from earlier sessions. Used our AI friends to help work out the best places and the prices to get these things, and then I'm going to go off and get them. So the other thing I'm just going to quick look at is my toolkit. So currently, these are the tools that I'm using. I think there's pretty good coverage, which work really well. Some other bits and pieces that I found around, but I want to get the kids involved. So I'm actually going to buy them their own trowel. So I've got my good pair of gloves and some tools and I'm ready to go.
So I do have this packing pallet, I suppose you want to call it. I could use that to put my plants on. So if you do have one of these, you can paint it up, varnish it up, make it look nice, and you can put your plants on it to help with your draining. I'm going to take this one to the tip just because I live in an area with a high termite problem. So I want to try to restrict the amount of wood that's around the house, which is why I built the platform out of old roofing sheets and another packing crate that's made of steel. But yeah, wood, these things are really good if you can get a hold of them. A lot of factories just leave these lying around outside. You're driving along one day and you see one of these and you need one. You can ask or just grab one, but typically they get chucked in the rubbish because they're just lightweight packing pallets that bits of machinery and stuff gets delivered on. Air conditioners, all that sort of stuff. So if you find one of these, really good for drainage. But where I am, termites, don't want it near the house.